Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate cannoli. First, let's create those signature crispy shells. You'll start by combining 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, cut in 3 tablespoons of cold butter, then mix in 1 large egg and 1/2 cup of Marsala wine. Knead this dough until it's wonderfully smooth, then wrap it and chill it for at least 1 hour. This resting period is crucial for a perfect texture. Now, let's prepare the luscious chocolate ricotta filling. The most important step is to drain 2 cups of whole milk ricotta cheese for several hours, or even overnight, to ensure it's not watery. Next, melt 1 cup of quality dark chocolate and allow it to cool slightly. Then, gently combine your well-drained ricotta with 1 cup of powdered sugar, the cooled melted chocolate, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Mix until it's smooth and creamy, ready for piping. With your dough chilled, it's time to shape and fry the shells. Roll the dough very thin, about 1/16 of an inch thick, and cut it into 4-inch circles. Carefully wrap each dough circle around a cannoli form, sealing the overlapping edge with a dab of egg white. Heat your frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the shells for about 2 to 3 minutes, turning them until they are beautifully golden brown and blistered. Let them cool completely before filling. The final, delightful steps involve filling and garnishing your cannoli. Once the fried shells are completely cool, pipe the rich chocolate ricotta filling into each one, starting from both ends to ensure it's fully filled. For a classic finish, dip the ends of your filled cannoli into mini chocolate chips or finely chopped pistachios. Finally, for that perfect touch, dust them with a light coating of confectioner's sugar just before serving. Enjoy these crispy, creamy treats.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.